Hi there, this is Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney, and today I'm sharing my tips and tricks for decorating for fall.
So step one, no matter the season, no matter what I'm decorating for, I take everything out of the packaging, I take off tags, I make sure that everything's ready to go, because once I start decorating, I like to kind of grab and go, and it just slows me down if I have to deal with that. So I make a pile of, this is everything I bought for DIYs, this is all the stuff that can go out as is.
You can just kind of start setting up your little setups or vignettes, or if you've got baskets like I do in the back, you can go through and start setting stuff up, so then that way when you go to different parts of your house, you know A, what you have to decorate, and B, what kind of goes together, so you can kind of grab it. What for me, it gets really annoying when I go to decorate and I need one last thing, but I've set that thing somewhere else, and I love that it's somewhere else, but I also need it there, and it gets kind of frustrating to me. I don't know if anybody else feels that way. Let me know if you do. But I really like to be able to know, okay, here's what I've got, here's where things go, so on and so forth. So then that way, you know, I'm on the same page with what I have. So I've got these totes, I'm gonna start sorting, and then we're gonna go from there.
Number one, arrange your items in an odd number arrangement. So 3s, 5s, 7s, 9s, crazy to have 9 things out, but you know, odd numbers, it makes things look really put together and thoughtful. The next thing is use what you already have and hide it within what you're putting out. So this hayride bucket, I just put my greenery inside, and there it is for when I need to switch it over. It's ready and it's already there. Don't be afraid to move things around. You're gonna set stuff up and realize you don't like it, so move it around. I don't set everything perfectly the first time, so I try it out. Towels can add a ton to any room. So in your kitchen, in your bathroom, festive towels are where it's at. Now I moved upstairs to my guest bathroom, and I wanted to update my floral arrangement that I have in this Dollar Tree jug. So I grabbed a handful of items that really fit with my color scheme, and the trick to the Dollar Tree ones is, one, you can cut them apart, or for this version that I'm doing, kind of the lazy woman's way, is you really just want to intertwine the different elements so it doesn't look like you just put 4 different quadrants in there. You want to pull things together, pull them out, pull them in, really arrange it so then that way it's not just chunks of things everywhere. My next tip is it does not have to be elaborate to look festive. I'm taking one of my Dollar Tree leaves here, a little Dollar Tree candle holder, and then one of the welcome words that I got from the Dollar Tree. I also grabbed these 2 adorable candles from the Dollar Tree today. I found them, so run out, they probably still have them. I added a white pumpkin on the shelf to go with my decor, and there's that. This is in my dining room. I have a really large gallery wall that I don't like to change up too much, but what I'll do is I'll take off a couple items, and it's really easy to set back up when I want to transition back. Same thing with this wall area. This is on the opposite wall, and I tried out a few different things, but decided that this area was going to be best with my fall truck I grabbed from Kohl's. Really nice. You don't have to re-put nails in, and you're ready to go. This is really helpful when you're trying to create different levels. I have boxes, I have candlesticks, I have a lot of different things that can give different heights to my mantle, which is really going to make it look more interesting, and it's also going to look like you tried a lot harder, to be completely honest. Then in the center, I added this fall truck, and this is honestly my favorite thing that kind of rounds out the mantle. I got this truck from the dollar spot at Target, and then I just took these pumpkin clips that I used on the wreath DIY, and I'm just gonna pop off that clip and use them as filler for this truck. Now I originally thought I could fit 2 pumpkins in here, and then I realized that wasn't gonna work, but you can put a pumpkin on the side so it looks like the truck's picked up a pumpkin, and then you know, there's one still waiting there. So stinking cute. Pro tip, I've heard of people grabbing extras of these to paint them red for the holidays. I didn't think of that quick enough, so I'm kicking myself. Next up is the top of my cabinets in my kitchen. I like to leave a lot of those items up. I don't want to take them down for the risk of breaking them. So I really like to figure out just a couple pieces to put up to make it look like Christmas or fall or whatever I'm decorating for. So the first step was to update my signage, which this pumpkin sign came from Walmart. And then also I put a ceramic pumpkin up there and really just kind of played around with where I had openings so that I can include some fall items.
So that's it for this tips and tricks video. Be sure to hit subscribe down below because I do have my full house tour coming up with all of my fall decor. This was kind of a sneak peek of everything. I'm gonna work really hard tonight to get everything set up so I can hopefully record that tomorrow, and that will be coming early next week. I also just picked up a ton of new supplies for some easy DIYs, so hit that button so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!